welcome to another video. Hey, this is a summary video. We built a tire rack for the back of our RV. You can see it's pretty tight on there. It extended the trailer hitch. It carries our spare. It doesn't come with your new RVs. So, a newer RV, no spare, build your own rack. You can buy these for $900 and have them shipped to your house. Oh, they're probably fancier and nicer than this one, but this is $200 worth of stuff. So, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on, sit back. This is the high-speed video, the whole thing, start to finish. Like and subscribe, post notifications on, and at the end, you can go back to the channel and see each video. It's slow speed, and do it yourself. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss another one. We got a dandy tire cover. We're going to work on that next and show you that in a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There we go. It's on. We got our cover on. Not everybody who wanders is lost. That is true. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Note, we got safety chains on it so that it's chained to here in case anything was to come loose. Don't think it ever will, but we're chained. We got another set of hooks, so we put a trailer. We're in like Flint here. It's a good deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More cool how-tos coming for the motorhome. Still got a lot of things to do.